What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy Wild 10. Glory Street Shutdown King, at least steady. Shout it, man. What's going on, man? As y'all can see, we got our package in. Man, I hope they send me the right one. Okay, got one of them pulled out. And they did give me the right ones. That was the one thing I was worried about. These are the transparent lights for the Escalade. I know most people that have the aftermarket long ones, they mostly have the clear ones, but you can see all the red in the inside. But these, they mostly clear all the way around until you press the brake light and you got that one little spot with the red. Oh yeah, man. This gonna be hard right here. We in there, man. Alright, got the before. One side off already. There's already a lot of videos showing how to install these, so it ain't nothing new. Four screws holding, man. One here, one here, one here. And after you take the tail light off, it's one behind here. And then you go under the truck, disconnect the harness, stick the new one on, plug it back up, bolt it up. In a nutshell. Man, when they on, they of course light up red, but when they off, they just look silver, except this little corner light right here. So when they're off, they look silver until you cut the car on, when you press the brakes, of course. Okay, as y'all see, when they're not on, they look all clear. So man, as always, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. And man, this is what's going on for right now, man. We're gonna holler at y'all.
Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe. Give them to 10 million likes.
Hey.